Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 12i, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, just access calendar. Now you need to just allow twice and tap on the date that you wish to set up. I will go with that one. Now create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner and then adjust it however you wish to. For example, you can add your Gmail over here, name your event however you wish to, type in location of it, click on the correct result, pick starting hour and ending one. Now scroll down, choose repetition and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example every week or year or anything. If you don't, just set up done. Then you can also set up reminder minutes, hours or weeks before your event, take notes and even pick time zone. I will go with this one. Then you can save your event by choosing this check mark at the top right corner, and as you can see, mine was successfully created. If you want to edit it, you can always do that by choosing it, then selecting this pen icon at the top right corner and making your changes. In order to discard them, click on the top left corner on this X icon, and in order to save them, click on the check mark again. If you wish to get rid of your event, click on it again. Tap on this pin icon at the top right corner instead and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!